my phone to crank it to him, yeah. Turning my tracks to control off, ran the corner on drift, yeah. Left hand on steering, right hand with the black while I'm perfectly shit. Look like I came out the Fast and the Fury. The 4 on the race and the line of leg geek. Tapping my gas at the red light, yelling who on the race. I got a bag full of headband, finish most of the face. And if I'm hating, but it ain't no pressure like all of my ties, no. And they keep watching me, yo, finna bury the folks in the tag smoke. YouTube, what going on? 5-7 few back with something new. Hey, look, I was just online looking at the Z Automotive Tazed, right? Let me show y'all. All right, so y'all see right here, $249. But when I added it to the cart and did the shipping and all that, man, it came up to $287. I ain't gonna show y'all all that, but it came up to $287. So I just looked on Google, you know what I mean? And it's right up the street, well, up the highway, you know what I mean? It's a little minute, about 30 minutes away, but right here, you know what I mean? So shit, I'm finna pull up there, see what they talking about, rather than get it offline. If it's in the store, I'd rather have it now. And it'll be cheaper because, you know what I mean, I ain't gotta pay shipping. I just pay tax. So I'm finna head up there, see what they talking about. I'm gonna let y'all see what they talking about when I get it. Yes, sir. I ain't no chemical guys had all this. These folks got hella product. All right, YouTube. So we back in Daytona. They say the installation go right here in the OBD 2 point. OBD 2 port right here. Let's start flashing. Okay, it connected. Green light mean it's a go. Direction say put that guy in run. Alright, so I was on the radio. I had to take it out of the radio and put it on the disc. Or I seen some other videos on YouTube, they had it on Bluetooth, but I guess since I had mine on the radio and it was something actually playing, you know what I mean, it ain't want to work. So we go to light show. This is what it say right here. It say light show. We're gonna continue to hold back in council. Mary, that's what I want to do. Press on. All right, there you go. That shit was acting weird. Get a little countdown. All right, there you go. We're going back with the holding, the back in council. Performance. Sport, 5-speed, yes. Cause that's what I got. 8-speed, no. Cluster swap, no. SRT setting, yes. All right, performance settings, yes. What is it? STPN. I don't know what that is right there, y'all. I gotta look that up. All right, powders. I got the powders already. That's on yes. Go to the next one. Steer. This ain't non-applicable, so. Driver mode. I think that's for the newer ones. You know, the drive mode, the eco, the sport, track, you know, the custom, all that. I think that's what that is. Yeah, for some reason, this motherfucker taking forever, shout. But look, you just gotta have a little patience. You just gotta have a little patience. All right, y'all, so I just went ahead and did all the settings. I just did the full reboot, you know, after I locked in my settings. I'm just letting the computer do a full reset. I let let it sit for about 30 seconds. But when before I turned it off, I seen it said the SRT on the end. I ain't get to press it though. I just want to let it do its full reset. You know what I mean? I want to lock everything in. Let's see what my boy got, man. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that right there now. Yeah. So the sport, okay, so I'm a sport right there now. Instead of it being, well, it's still right there. But now it's also right here. That what's up, that what's up. On the times right there. But, you know, I bet it don't show it. It gotta be locked in, I guess. G-force. Them gauges right there, yes, sir. Everything running perfectly. Yeah, I mean, they running, I mean, they reading properly. Yeah. I gotta put that blue one on there now. We locked them in. Yeah, okay, so there we go, y'all. Hey, man. Simple, easy install, man. Simple, easy installation. Z Automotive Taser. If y'all wanna purchase this, I ain't get it straight from Z Automotive website. I got it from Summit. I looked online and I seen that Summit had it actually in the store. So if y'all got a Summit around y'all, it'd be way better and way faster to get it straight from them, because it cost $250. They just add $16 onto it. No, they add $18 onto it. It came up to $268, you know what I mean? Instead of, I think it was $287 if you get it shipped straight from the website, you know what I mean, with the shipping added on to it. So if y'all want this on your screen, man, on your RTs, man, hey, man, I say go do it, man. Spend that little money, go ahead and do it. Get the mud. It's the easiest thing to do. Change it up. I like this right here. I'm gonna keep that on. Yes, sir. That's it. Even though it ain't the same blue, it ain't the same blue, but it's all right, man. I like that right there, man. Yes, sir. 5-7 Fuel coming back with something new, man. Next time y'all see me, man, y'all gonna hear me. Yes, sir.